All right, BMW has this hidden feature called Valet Mode, and I'm going to show you guys how to find iDrive7 and how to use it and what it entails. So before you even get into Valet Mode, you need to set up your driver profile. So you need to go car, you need driver profiles, you need to have an active driver profile. If you don't know how to do this, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Go check out my driver profile video and then we'll come back. So once you've done your driver profile video, under your settings, you'll go into car, you'll go into settings, you'll go into general settings. Once you're into settings, you scroll down and under vehicle settings, you'll see valet parking mode. Valet parking mode, you'll need to activate a PIN. So you're gonna choose a 4-digit PIN and you're gonna activate that PIN. Once you've set your 4-digit PIN, you're gonna come back here. Now you can also lock tailgate as well. So nobody can get into your trunk and nobody can check out to see if there's any valuables are in there. Now, this is a great, they made a movie about this a little while ago. I think it had Bruce Willis in it. Basically, the valet driver checked out their home address, took a picture of it, followed them home, and then set up a robbery at a later time that went bad. So as much as that's a movie, you really don't want personal information getting into anybody else's hands when there's an easy way to protect yourself. So once you're ready to hand over your car to the valet person, you're just gonna hit activate now. Valet mode is gonna activate and nobody will be able to touch your infotainment screen. So now you can't go into like home address, the 1 through 8 buttons are deactivated, all of your infotainment short keys are deactivated. You can't go in and see what the saved address is, you can't see any of that information until you enter in that PIN, unlocking your car and bringing it back to normal use. So valet mode is a very important feature to have if you are going to do that. Now, if you are going to a hotel and before you do that, one thing to do is like, you know, it's kind of clumsy to go into car, go into settings, go into general settings, just to go to valet mode. If maybe you're somebody who uses valet mode pretty often, what you can do is bring it to this menu, highlight it, and then save it down here as a 1 through 8 button. So make sure you're highlighting it, press and hold, and you'll see it get assigned to number 6. So if I change menus and I go back to the main menu, it's like, I wanna go into valet mode, you just come down, click number 6, and then it will say activate now. And there you go. Pretty short, simple on valet mode, but it's a very important feature to have to keep all of your information protected. If you guys want to stay up to date with BMW news or you want to know any more how-to guides, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos, and drop a comment if you need help with anything else, and I can always point you towards the video or make a new one if I haven't answered that question yet. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video.